Welcome, my dear. Come sit with me for a little while, and let us remember some of life's gentle things. There was a time when nearly every family garden held a few quiet plants that asked for little and gave so much in return. Many of these plants were not grown for beauty alone, but for comfort, nourishment, and everyday wisdom. Their names rarely appeared in cookbooks, yet generations knew exactly where to find them. Some grew beside kitchen doors, others tucked themselves along fences and pathways. Children learned their names almost as naturally as they learned the seasons, and every harvest carried small stories from hands that had planted before them. Today, many of these plants have quietly disappeared from family kitchens, yet their stories remain rooted in the soil, waiting to be remembered. Tonight, let us wander gently through those forgotten gardens together, and perhaps discover why these humble plants meant so much to those who came before us. I still remember visiting older gardens where every corner seemed to have a purpose. Nothing was planted carelessly, and very little was wasted. Families often relied on gardens not only for food, but for everyday reassurance. The garden was a pantry, a medicine cabinet, and a place of quiet reflection. Many forgotten plants earned their place because they were dependable companions. They returned year after year, asking only for a little care. Some provided nourishment during difficult seasons, when little else was available. Others brought flavor and fragrance to ordinary meals. Today, science is slowly rediscovering the value hidden inside many traditional foods. And perhaps that makes these old gardens feel a little less distant than we imagine. One forgotten plant often growing between stones and pathways was purslane. Many gardeners once welcomed it instead of removing it. Its thick leaves carried a fresh, slightly lemony taste. In some regions, families added it to soups, salads, and simple stews. Long ago, people appreciated it because it seemed to thrive almost anywhere. That reliability brought comfort during uncertain seasons. Today, researchers recognize that purslane contains valuable nutrients and beneficial plant compounds. Science is quietly confirming what many gardeners already sensed. Sometimes wisdom survives not in books, but in ordinary gardens, and purslane remains one of those gentle reminders. Another nearly forgotten kitchen garden favorite was a plant called Good King Henry. Its curious name has survived longer than its popularity. Families often treated it much like spinach. Young leaves appeared early in the season when fresh vegetables were scarce. That made it especially appreciated after long winters. Many homes looked forward to those first signs of green. Modern nutrition research supports the value of dark leafy plants in a balanced diet. Yet older generations rarely spoke in nutritional terms. They simply knew certain foods helped people feel nourished. and good King Henry quietly earned its place among them. Near many farmhouse doors once grew a tall herb called lovage. Its fragrance filled the air whenever someone brushed past. Many cooks used it to flavor soups and broths. A little often went a very long way. I remember older gardeners speaking of it with quiet affection. It was dependable, aromatic, and generous. Today, some herbal traditions still treasure this remarkable plant. Science continues exploring many compounds found in traditional herbs. Yet perhaps its greatest gift was simply bringing warmth to everyday meals. Sometimes that is more than enough. Forgotten garden plants are more than old foods. They are memories rooted in soil and carried through generations. They remind us that abundance often arrives quietly, and that some of the most valuable things are easy to overlook. Perhaps somewhere nearby, one of these old plants is still growing today, waiting patiently for someone to recognize its story once again. Thank you for spending this peaceful time with me. Take gentle care of yourself this week, and may your days hold a little of the quiet wisdom found in old gardens.